Tonight we're going to be talking about how to create links within your WordPress editor. This is going to be probably one of the simpler tutorials that we do. The first thing we're going to want to do if we're creating a link is go to the website that we want to link to. So for instance, if I wanted a link in a blog post or in a page that I'm writing, and I want that link to go to, for instance, eTreps' homepage, so etreps.com. I come here, I highlight the URL up in the address bar, then I copy it, then I come back to my post, and then I type in the phrase or whatever it is that I want to make into a link. And so I wrote this phrase, eTreps is a good place to find help with your online marketing or internet marketing, and I highlight the phrase eTreps. As soon as you highlight a phrase in your editor, both of these little buttons right here light up. This one is to create a link, this one is to unlink or break a link. So if I want to create a link to eTreps, I'm going to click on the little chain icon, opens up this little box, and then I'm going to paste that URL I just copied into here. There's a few other things I'll do in this box before I click insert. The first one is I set the target to open in a new window. The reason for that is because if you have traffic on your site and you choose to open your links in the existing window, then you're kind of sending your traffic away. Or if you have it open in a new window, then they still have your site open, they have to come back to it. And so for that reason I like opening links into a new window. The other thing I'll do is I will make the title the same as the phrase that I highlighted. So in this case I highlighted the phrase eTreps. So here I'm going to make the title eTreps. And as soon as I'm done with that, then I leave everything else the same. I click insert, and now we have a link. And so basically you can create links to any web page or website on the internet using your WordPress editor. And so one thing that is important to recognize is that it's a pretty good idea to make keyword phrases into our links. And so if there are certain keyword phrases that we want to be found for, so for instance, let's say I want to be found for internet marketing, and I want to link that to our consulting page. So I come here and I copy the link to my consulting page, and I make this phrase internet marketing a link to etreps.com/consulting. So this is just a different page of my site. Set it to open in a new window, and then call this eTreps, or no, I'd call this internet marketing. And the reason why I want this as a title is that it actually helps us with the search engine. If you were to switch over from visual to HTML, you're going to see that anything that's a link has these tags around it, HTML tags that have the /a. So here you have another one that kind of starts with A and then ends in /a. And A stands for anchor text. And when Google sees our code when it's crawling through our website, anything we've made into a link is going to stand out to Google as a relevant keyword phrase. And so we want to have good links on our website for a variety of reasons. The first one is just to be expanding the reach of our content. The second reason is for what we call link building activities, which help our site rank higher in Google for keyword phrases because we're indicating to Google what our keyword phrases are by making them into links. And so that is the basics on how we make a link. Of course, if you want to break the link, you just highlight the same phrase, highlight it, and then click the break link button, and that takes it away. So hopefully that helps you guys understand how that works, and then you guys will use your blogs as linking tools to link up to other sites and See if they will return the favor.